Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. And we're starting with the major, EURUSD, Dimitrios Tapas describes. The daily chart shows that EURUSD has been trading with an uptrend channel since February and is likely to continue rising to reach the April high around 1.1571. The instrument could even reach the 8-8 mirror level around 1.1714. Therefore, it would be prudent to buy the EURUSD pair while the price consolidates above the 21 SMA, located at 1.1386. A technical rebound around this area will be seen as a buying opportunity, with a target at 1.1517. If the euro price falls below 1.1500 in the coming hours, this could be seen as an opportunity to sell. Technically, it appears overbought on the H4 timeframe chart and could likely reach 1.1380 and then resume its bullish cycle. Conversely, a sharp break below the uptrend channel and consolidation below 1380 could be the key scenario for a new segments of lows. Therefore, EURUSD could reach the 200 EMA around the psychological level of 1.10 and even reach the February price levels around 1.0353. Let's trade with the MACD indicator. It's time for GBPUSD. Jakub Novak presents. You could plan to buy the pound today at the entry point near 1.3592, with a target at 1.3641. Around 3641, you should exit the long positions and initiate a short position, expecting a 30-35 pip pullback from the level. A rise in the pound can be expected after strong economic data. Before buying, make sure that the MACD indicator is above the zero line and beginning to rise. You could also plan to buy the pound today in the event of two consecutive price tests of 1.3570 when the MACD is in an oversold territory. This would limit the pair's downside potential and lead to a reversal upward. In this case, a rise toward the opposite levels 1.3592 and 3641 is expected. You could plan to sell the pound after a break below 3570. It's a red line on a chart, which would result in a sharp decline of the pair. The key target for sellers will be 1.3539, where you can intend to exit the short positions and open a long immediately in the opposite direction, expecting a 20-25 pip rebound from the level. Selling the pound will be reasonable after weak GDP data. Before selling, make sure their MACD indicator is below the zero line and starting to decline from it. You could also plan to sell the pound today in the event of two consecutive price tests of 1.3592, while the MACD is in overbought territory. This would cap the pair's upside potential and lead to a market reversal downward. In this case, you could expect a decline toward the support levels of 1.3570 at 1.3539. That's all for today. Wish you best of luck.